Have you ever imagined earning a master's degree in Germany, right in one of the world's top academic hubs, and having it all paid for? Well, today we are diving into an absolutely incredible opportunity that makes this a reality for professionals from developing countries. We're going to break down what it is, who it's for, and exactly how you can get your application in.
So, the big question is, how do you actually make this happen? How can you focus completely on your studies in economics without worrying about the money? The answer is a really prestigious scholarship that covers pretty much everything. So let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive right in. The specific path we're talking about today is the DAAD MIDE scholarship. It's offered at the HTW Berlin University of Applied Sciences. And believe me, this is not just any old scholarship. It's a program specifically designed for future leaders. Think of this as your personal doorway to studying international and development economics in Berlin, which is an amazing city. And the best part, it's fully funded by the German Academic Exchange Service, the DAAD. And having their name on it, well, that's a huge mark of quality and prestige. But what is MIDE exactly? It stands for Masters in International and Development Economics. And we're not talking about just theory and old textbooks here. This whole program is built from the ground up to give you the skills to tackle real-world economic challenges, especially those faced by developing and emerging economies. So let's just quickly run through the basics. The host country, of course, is Germany. The university is the excellent HTW Berlin. And we're talking about a full master's degree. I mean, you've got a top-tier program in a fantastic location. What's not to love? And the program itself, it's super rigorous but also incredibly practical. You're going to get deep training in development economics, learn how to analyze economic policy like a pro, and really sharpen your quantitative skills. The whole thing is geared towards practical, policy-focused learning that you can actually use back in your home country. So we've covered the prestige, we've covered the academics, but what about that fully funded part? This is so important, right? Because it lets you pour all of your energy into building your future instead of stressing about your finances. The term fully funded gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean for you with this scholarship? Let's break down the financial support you get as a DAAD MIDE scholar, because honestly, it is way more comprehensive than you might think. Let's just start with the main number, 934 euros. That's what you get every single month as a stipend. This is the core of the support, and it's designed to cover all your living expenses while you're studying in Berlin. But wait, there's so much more. On top of that monthly stipend, the scholarship also covers your health, accident, and liability insurance. It gives you a travel allowance to help with your flight to Germany, and depending on your situation, you might even get a monthly rent subsidy and an allowance for family members who come with you. I mean, this is the real deal, truly comprehensive support. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing. So the next big question is, am I eligible? Let's walk through the eligibility checklist. Think of this as the key that could unlock this whole opportunity for you. So just take a second and really ask yourself, are you the right fit? The program is definitely looking for a certain type of candidate, someone with the right academic chops, but just as important, the right professional experience. Let's see if that sounds like you. All right, let's break down the criteria. On the professional side, you need to be from a developing country, have at least 2 years of relevant work experience, and your graduation can't be more than 6 years ago. Then on the academic side, you need a university degree, a minimum of 15 credits in economics, and of course, proof of your English skills. So, if you've been nodding along and ticking those boxes in your head, and you're starting to feel that little spark of excitement, this next part is for you. It's time to move from ambition to action. This is your roadmap to applying. Okay. First things first, preparation. Here is your document checklist. You're going to need a really strong letter of motivation, a solid CV, all your academic transcripts and degree certificates, and an explanation of your university's grading system. And then the usual stuff, a copy of your passport, proof of English, and your high school certificate. Getting these organized is your first real step. Here's the game plan, nice and simple. Step 1, double and triple check that you meet every single eligibility rule. Step 2, get all those documents we just talked about gathered up. Step 3, and this one's a biggie, spend some real time writing a powerful motivation letter. And finally, Step 4, submit everything online through the official MIDE portal. Let's just pause on that motivation letter for a second because it is so important. This quote from the guidelines tells you exactly what they want. It's not enough to just say, I want to study. You have to connect the dots between your past academic work, your future career goals, and your genuine passion for development economics. It all has to tell one cohesive story. And here it is, probably the most important date you need to know for your planning, August 31st, 2026. Now, that might sound like it's a long way off, but trust me, putting together a really high-quality application takes time, so you'll want to get started. So seriously, mark your calendar right now.
Put it in your phone, write it down somewhere you'll see it every day. This isn't just a deadline for some paperwork. Think of it as the deadline to take a huge step forward for your future and your career.
As we start to wrap this up, let's just come back to the core purpose of this whole thing. This quote really says it all. The MIDE program is all about creating problem solvers. It's about training people who can go out into the world and actually make a difference, addressing those huge global economic challenges. That's the kind of impact you could have. So I'll leave you with this one last thought. When you look past the degree, past the funding, what this really is, it's an invitation to become part of the solution. So the real question is, are you ready to take all your experience and ambition and use it to help build a more sustainable future for everyone?